Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Claude AI to analyze stocks like a pro. We are going to turn raw financial data into a detailed investment report in seconds. First, head over to Google Finance and search for a stock. For example, Apple. Scroll down to the financial data section. Instead of dealing with messy spreadsheets, just take the screenshot of the results table. It's faster and keeps the data organized. Now, go to Claude AI and drop your screenshot into the chat. Ask it to analyze the company's financial health and year-over-year growth. As you can see, the AI instantly extracts the numbers and provides key metrics like revenue and profit margins. But here's the real game changer: comparison. Go back to Google Finance and grab a screenshot of a competitor, like Coinbase. Upload it to the same chat and ask Claude, compare which is better. The AI will generate a side-by-side breakdown, highlighting which company is more profitable and giving you a clear verdict for your research. And that's it. A professional financial analysis using just a few screenshots and AI.